Hey guys, so I'm starting this vlog kind of late in the day. I got home from work, so I'm looking a little oily, but the package came, so I'm excited. I moved everything out of the room so I can, my husband can build and stuff. But I was looking at it and I think I measured wrong. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I left these hats up because I don't think it's gonna be that high. I took everything else. I think I didn't measure right because I measured and it shows that from there to like right here it's gonna come out. So I don't know if this is gonna open or I have to move it, and then I just have to vacuum here. And I'm gonna leave it like that so that my husband can build it here. But so I have the hats there. I really think I didn't measure correct, but I already moved all the other stuff out, so let's see what he says. He's gonna be like, you want me to work in this tight space? But let's see. So I'm waiting for him to build it. I think what it is that I measured from the wall out, not including the crown molding, the molding. I should have went in a little bit and measured to see, because from the wall it's okay, but because the molding comes out, I'm losing a little bit of space. So that I think was my error. And if it just fits in tight, I think I can move my desk over like a little bit and then it should be fine. So I'm hoping that the measurements are like an inch smaller than what it says and not bigger. So the next image will be the whole setup. All right, so this is everything that was in the box. I put it here. This box, the bars, there's some bars in here. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it fit by this much. Here, that much. So love how it looks. Can't wait to put the stuff on. It's already dark. It's almost 10, so I don't know if I'm gonna do some stuff now, but I'm gonna display some of these bags here and then like my boots there. So let me show you again. Okay, so I ended up putting some of my slacks here and my sets, my long dresses. Down here I'm gonna put shoes. I managed to squeeze in the small Alec drawer that I was talking about. I'm gonna be putting my handbags. I don't know if I'm gonna do my perfume and move this down. I don't know yet. I placed the hats up here, a couple of bags. And then here I put like sleeveless short sleeve blouses and then my long sleeve blouses that I wear for work. And I like that they're very colorful because it just brightens up the spot. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change out the hangers because I don't like how they're all mismatched. I think I want to go with these that I actually had gotten from Walmart. They have like that little Velcro thing so the dresses don't fall. I'm gonna get those, and then I still have storage here. These are my makeup palettes. I'm gonna figure out what I do here. On this side, I want to keep my boots and then like my black bags that I don't really wear much because it's summer. And then when fall comes, I'll move these out and then put probably the colorful ones in here. I don't know yet, but this is how it looks here. I'm gonna probably move it around 100 times before I like it, but that's how it looks. Love how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie. I love to do makeup tutorials, fashion inspo, home decor, things like that. If that's something that you'd be interested, I'd love you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So for my oldies, this is a new setup. I'm gonna try to do this standing up. I don't have my stand here like normal, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what this is looking like. Okay, so I did a few changes. I added on top the hats that I had on the wall, a couple of little purses up there for decor. Here I have my long, some dresses, some two-piece, some pants, anything that's long, is on this side because this only has one bar. I have a bar here in case I want to lower the shelves and add to it. But because I had said I wanted to add this in here, it took away from this bar. But this is something that I can move and then lower the bars, the shelves, and have another little piece for, little tank tops or like silky camisoles that I want. Here I put my perfumes. I'm still working on it because I want something in the back like to reflect. I don't know if I want to add a mirror or, maybe that painting back there. I don't know yet. Over here, I just displayed one of my purses and some jewelry because in here it's jewelry. So that's what I have there. Here I have like my short blouses, tank top kind of things, short sleeve. And then on the bottom I have my long blouses. So once the winter comes, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add blazers down here and move these to the top. I don't know yet. And then here probably like, just my jogger sets and things like that. I'm still working on this side. I have these shelves. In them I have, bags, but I have more like black bags that are more for like winter. Scrunchies. I have my camera, my laptop, hair things, little clutches and stuff. So I haven't worked on this yet because this was mostly just for palettes and I got to figure out what I want to do there. So here I have my acrylic drawers. I'm still working on this part here because this one goes here. So I have my brushes and then I have another light here. So these are full of, makeup and stuff. So this is the drawer I said I was planning to get rid of, but realistically, I'm not throwing away all my makeups. So concentrating on this part. This fit barely because as you can see here, this is for, if you have high boots, these little, I think they're called peanuts, are great for putting them in the boot to keep them, standing up like that. So I keep them for my winter boots. But anyways, this little space here is what I was worried about because I didn't think I would be able to open my drawer, but it fit just right. And then on this side, it's like barely an inch. Now, if I would have gotten the IKEA one, this would have been a whole, solid piece. I wouldn't be able to access this part. So I'm glad that I went with this one. This is how it looks. Let me see if I can. It looks just like that. I'm still working on pieces, but I love it. I think this is going to be great for, I think this is going to be a great spot for like doing hauls and then showing you, I'd be able to hang something here and show you guys, I love the fact that you can see all the colors. I have my ring light here, so if they're looking, all the colors. I still have my sneaker wall. I was able to like clear up a few things over here because I didn't like how it was looking. I attached this so I can film here, but I think I'm gonna have to get the adapter piece so I can have you standing up, because the setup is going to be a little bit different now for filming. But I love how it turned out. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth you know, beauty room closet kind of thing once I really figure out what it is I want to do. I wanted to get rid of a lot of stuff, but I really want this stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is really like figure out what I'm really using and what I'm really not. Like stuff like this one, it's very thin, like nothing fits in it. I don't even think the phone, but it's a very cute bag, you know, and you can put your phone and your cards and that's it, which is fine. But realistically, I don't reach for it. So stuff like that, I want to really go through the stuff, figure out what I want to do. Then over here, I have my sunglasses. So I don't know if I want to get like one of those drawer things to put and display them, like maybe down here. I don't know. But I'm still working on the room. I just wanted to show you guys because I was so excited. I wanted you to see. I'm going to show you again. That's how it looks. And like I was saying, you know, this is a very small room. This is my makeup station. And then I wanted to be able to see my stuff. You know, I'm going to make this the majority of handbags because I have those displayed there. And this brand these hooks. And I have some here. This is winter scarves and stuff. But I don't know if I want to see more bags and less of like the perfumes and stuff, or leave it like that. Because if I wanted to, I could hang from the bar jewelry, you know, like my necklaces and stuff, or I can hang some of the bags and have it like laid across and then have a little two in the front. I don't know. And then these are the kind of things that, you know, I have this vase. These are the cups that have brushes, but the handle is what is really a pain. And then I have these, and then I have another one of these, and then I have this one and another face, you know. But you know, I have purchased this to hold a lot of the brushes, and I still have space. But you know, I have these bigger ones, I have new ones, I have, well, this is just for her hair. You know, these have to get washed. I have these, a lot of these were just for looks, you know. So in this cubby here, I have more brushes. In the drawers, I have more brushes. So I don't know. I mean, I don't think I need that many brushes, but I hate to wash brushes. So, but going back to this, I feel like I'm losing focus because I'm so excited. But I have my pictures on the wall. I put some shoes on the bottom that I don't normally, you know, I'm not wearing as much. I have like my boots towards the back. And then I have some heels down here. Just to have this space less cluttered. And then I still have to work on stuff here. But I use those little blue bins that I had shown you guys. I had picked up and put in the sandals. So that's a lot better. This was a fail because this didn't work, but we're gonna see, because I want to be able to film from right here and have this be like my background. So let me know what you guys think. This video is all over the place, but I'm so happy. And I'm gonna add a couple of pictures of how it went setting it up, because setting it up was a headache. The instructions that come with it do not help. And we built it in the sala because my husband said it was too hot in this room to do it. And then when we went to bring it, we couldn't get it to turn because of the walls and stuff. So we had to take a piece of it apart, bring it back in here, build the rest of it, and it barely slid in. So Make sure you're measuring correctly, because this big ass thing, I kind of felt like I measured wrong, and thank God I measured okay. But it's something that you want to build in the room that you're in, unless your hole is like really big, because when you come straight and you go to turn, you can't turn. Like, we were going to go into the master and slide it in, you couldn't, so you have to build it in here. And towards the end, when he had to finish this last week, like, he took this piece here off, and then it was just these two that we walked in with. When he was doing this, he was bumping over here, he was bumping over here, and I was like, oh my God, everything was falling. So that's how small this room is. But anyways, I'm so happy. I'm gonna be doing a new room tour soon once I start moving stuff around. I gotta get rid of a lot of shoes and stuff that I'm not really reaching for. But the Goodwill by me is moving, so they're not taking donations. But until then, you know, I'm gonna start moving stuff, clearing stuff. I got a lot of hats and scarves in this bin that I don't really wear because I don't want to mess up my hair, that I'm gonna get rid of. But I'm excited. I love it. Love it. I feel like it has like that boutique feel. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.